Hey guys, Chris here, back from CNH Smallings again. This is the first follow-up video for the JP Rifles silent capture recoil spring here assembly. The part I got here in the mail here today, it is the part right here, JP SCS2-HM-2. This is the silent captured recoiled tungsten piece right here. As you see right here, this is the new piece we got here. And here is the old one side by side right here as well too. As I said before, I do have the H2 buffer specifically. So the H2 buffer has two tungsten pieces right here, and you also have the steel third piece right here as well too. So let me get a better shot here while my camera focuses here for you. Let me zoom it out here a little bit. There we go. Sorry about that. The H2 buffer, as I said before, you have two tungsten pieces right here, and you have the third one, which is a simple steel piece as well too. This is the H2 version, so now I'm going to be converting it to the H3 format. So we have the new tungsten piece right here. That is the part number, as I said before, the JPSCS2-HM-2. And in order to put that back together right here, you simply take your new heavier tungsten piece right here, put that over here, we'll line it up here, and you simply drop it onto the piece right here as well too. I do put a lot of lube on these things right here because you do have black rubber O-rings right here as well too. So you want everything to be smooth whenever you put it back together on here specifically. So whenever it goes together, you won't have any kind of like cracking or splitting on the actual rubber pieces. So always get a bunch of lube on here, and just put oil on the outside of the actual piece right here to keep all the rubber pieces together, because unfortunately rubber tends to dry out if you don't put any kind of lube on there to keep it, you know, like supple and stuff like that, because oil will keep it nice and you know, lubricated, and it'll keep the plastic rubber pieces right there from actually you know, getting split and cracked right there for that. So I'll make a second video here after this one right here, after I completed reassembling the whole thing right here, because I don't have 4 hands, so I can only do 2 hands to try to reassemble the machine right, or the actual components here. So the next thing we'll be doing here is simply putting on the actual wave washer here. So you put the wave washer back into the actual groove right here. As I said before, you have a small groove. The wave washer right here has to go in the groove, and once you do that, you push the whole new weighted thing back down on top of the spring. And once you have it down here, you have to hold the spring portion. The spring portion right here has to go all the way back down to this piece right here, and you have to put your T15 Torx. T15 Torx right here has to go into that hole to keep the spring under proper tension. And once you do that, you put your bolt right here back into the top piece, and that'll be the last portion right here as well. So that's the 1/8 series Craftsman, and that fits right in top, just like so right there, guys. So I'll put this thing down. I'll make a quick video after I get done reassembling it, and I'll put you another video up here after I get done reassembling it, and give you a basically a function test for the actual piece right here. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day.